Hey guys, welcome back to Cupcake and Pomps. Today I wanted to show you how I blow dry my hair from curly to straight while also adding volume to it. So if you guys like to stay tuned to see how I got this look, then let's get started. First I'm going to add some heat taming spray to my hair, because the blow dryer does get pretty hot. Next, I'm going to add this Sky High volume to all of my hair, and mostly I'm going to concentrate on massaging it into the roots because that's where I want to get most of my volume. I head over and blow drying, concentrating mostly on my roots. Okay, so now that I've flipped my hair over and blow dried it and tried to concentrate mostly on the roots, I am going to go ahead and take a round brush like this and start to straighten it with the blow dryer and this this round brush. Like the girl from the, what commercial is that? Is it the Carney Fruit Treats? Her hair's all crazy like this. I'm going to take this hair clip and start sectioning my hair off. So then I'm going to take the round hairbrush and I'm going to put it on top of my hair, and I'm going to bring it up like this, and I'm going to be taking the blow dryer and blowing it underneath the hair while bringing it up to create the volume at the root of my hair. So I'm gonna add this to the blow dryer. For the top of my head, this middle piece right here, I'm just going to go ahead and do it a little bit differently. I'm going to bring the round brush to the back of the hair, and I'm going to hold the hair up like this while I'm blow drying, and of course I'll blow dry all the way to the end.